What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make money with copy trading on the Bybit app. Okay, so this is going to be a step-by-step practical video showing you what copy trading is all about. All right, I'm also going to be showing you how to choose a good master trader to copy for profits right there on Bybit, and also I'm going to be showing you how to get compensated even if you had a loss on your trade. Okay, so make sure you stick with me all through this video, guys. Don't skip any part of this video so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is N We Don't TV, and what we do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever N We Don't TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you are always going to be the first to get notified, and then you are going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Bybit account dashboard right now. So before you can start copy trading right here on Bybit to start making some good amount of money for yourself, you first of all need to have a KYC verified Bybit account. Okay, so if you actually don't have that right now, you can simply go over to my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is going to be on this video description. So what you simply do when you go over there is you're going to see the link to actually sign up on Bybit. Okay, so when you actually hit on the link, it's going to take you over to the sign up page where you can sign up. And when you are done signing up, guys, the next step would be to verify your KYC. Okay, so it's quite easy. So when you're actually done doing all of that, you can start copy trading right here to start making some good amount of money for yourself right away, guys. Okay, so now, guys, when you are done having an account on Bybit, the next step would be funding your Bybit account. Okay, so how can you fund your Bybit account? I'm going to be showing you guys two ways in which you can fund your Bybit account. Okay, so the first way in which you can fund your Bybit account is through P2P trading. Okay, so you can simply come over to the P2P section right here, guys. All right, it's going to load up. Here we are, and then when you are here, you just simply hit on amounts. So guys, the lowest amount you can actually use for copy trading right here on Bybit is 100 USDT. Okay, so you can just simply type in, let's say, 100,000 naira right here, guys. All right, just type in 100,000 and then you simply hit on confirm. Okay, just to filter the trade, and over here that is all payment method, you simply hit on it and then you hit on bank transfer and you also hit on confirm. Okay, and then you can just simply find someone in which you can buy 100 USDT from. So let's say you actually want to buy from this very first guy right here called Oscar Exchange. You can just simply hit on buy right here, and then you just simply hit on with crypto right here, and you simply hit on 100 USDT, guys. Okay, so as you can see, 100 USDT is going to give us a sum of 153,290. Okay, so we're going to be spending 153,290 to actually get 100 USDT. All right, but guys, you need to be careful because some of these guys right here, they're actually dubious. Okay, so that is why you need to be careful, guys. All right, so this is the first way in which you can purchase USDT right here on Bybit. Okay, so the second way in which you can purchase USDT is through using the PayTzar crypto trading group, guys. Okay, and the group is powered by Don Camps TV. All right, so what you simply do is go over to the group and request that you actually want to buy whatsoever crypto you want to buy. Okay, the link to the group is going to be on this video description, and it's also going to be on my Telegram channel. So you can just simply join the group to actually purchase crypto whatsoever time you want to purchase crypto, guys. Okay, so that is basically how the group works. All right, so when you're actually done purchasing crypto into your account, just like you see mine right here, the next step would be to start copy trading, guys. Okay, so as you can see right here on my dashboard, the copy trading icon is here. I can easily click on it right here on my dashboard. Okay, but let's say for your case you are not seeing your own copy trading icon right here on your dashboard, all you can just simply do is hit on the more section right here, guys. All right, and then you simply hit on the search bar right here to search for copy trading. Okay, so this is it, guys. So you can just simply hit on it. All right, so it's going to load up, guys. Okay, guys, here we are. So as you can see down below here, we have three copy trading categories right here, which are the classic, the TradeFi, and the pro. Okay, but guys, for the purpose of this video, we're going to be focusing on the classic. All right, so as you can see right here on the classic section, you have the top balance traders, the top ROI, the top intraday traders, the top new talent, the boosted traders, the highest follower profit traders, the lowest drawdown traders. Okay, so I'm going to be explaining each and every single one of them right here for you guys so you understand what they mean. All right. So guys, for the top balance traders right here, they are traders that balance profit and risk. Okay. As you can see down below here are top balance traders. So over here says that the drawdown for 30 days for this trader right here called Crusader is 0.00%. Okay. So this actually means that this trader has had no loss within the last 30 days. Okay. So this is actually amazing. So as you can see right here, this is the 30 days ROI, which is the return on investment. It's actually 62.86%. Okay, and the Sharpe ratio right here is actually 12.16% within 30 days. Okay, so this actually means that this trader right here called Crusader has been on profit for the past 30 days without no loss. Okay, so this is actually amazing. And as you can see right here, about 998 persons are currently following this trader. Okay, so if you actually decide to copy this trader right now, you're going to be on profit, guys. So that is basically what I'm talking about. All right, so down below here, this trader right here called Valentine AI. As you can see, 101 persons are currently following this trader right here. And over here says that this trader has actually had a drawdown of 11.13% within the last 30 days and a Sharpe ratio of 7.08% within the last 30 days. Okay. And also the return on investment for this trader within the last 30 days is actually 294.94%. Okay. So this is actually amazing. And it also goes on and on with the other traders right here, guys. Okay, so this is for the top balance traders that actually balance their profit and risk. All right, so the next right here is the top ROI traders. Okay, so the top ROI traders are traders that have earned the highest ROI in the last 7 days, guys. Okay, so as you can see, this guy over here called Exit the Matrix has actually made about 575.93% profit within the last 7 days. Okay, and within the last 90 days, which is about 3 months, he has made about 1,407.46% profit. Okay, and also within the last 30 days, he has done a drawdown of about 6.13%. So from my opinion, guys, this is actually reasonable because his return on investment is much more higher than his drawdown. Okay, so this is actually a very good trader right here. And then the next guy right here called Aptis has done a whooping 341.96% within the last 7 days, as you can see right here, guys. And his drawdown is currently 0.46%. Okay, so this is actually another good trader right here that you can also copy to make some good amount of profit for yourself. All right, so this is basically all you need to know about the top ROI. They are basically keen on earning the highest ROI within the last 7 days, guys. Okay, so now the next right here that says top intraday traders. So these are traders with over 20% ROI and a win rate of more than 20% in the last 7 days, guys. Okay, so as you can see over here, this trader called King has done 255.66% ROI within the last 7 days and a win rate of over 89.66%, as you can see right here. And his weekly trades right here within the last 7 days is actually 55.05, guys. Okay, so this is actually another good trader right here that you can also copy to actually make some good amount of profit for yourself. Okay, so all the way down to this guy right here called Mamkin Traders. Okay, he has done about 87.19% ROI within the last 7 days and a win rate of over 84.23% within the last 7 days. And his weekly trades within the last 7 days is actually 2,666.66. Okay, so this is actually wonderful traders right here, guys. All right, so this is all you need to know about the top intraday traders. They are basically keen on 20% ROI and a win rate of more than 20% within the last 7 days. Okay, so this is basically what they do. And over here, next right here, that says the top new talent. Okay, so the top new talent are new traders with high profit and low drawdown. Okay, so these are examples of them right here. This guy called with Love Moose, as you can see, within the last 7 days, he has done 150.43% ROI profit, as you can see right here, guys. Okay, and his drawdown is 0.00% with an ROI volatility of 24.67% within the last 7 days. Okay, so guys, basically these are the rest traders right here who also fall into the category of top new talent traders. Okay, so the next right here are the boosted traders. Okay, so guys, the boosted traders right here are based on incentive, and when you actually follow a boosted trader, you get an extra 10% in bonuses on your investment of up to 50 USDT. Okay, so that is basically what the boosted traders are. So as you can see right here, this guy called Axilos has done about 24.10% profit ROI within the last 7 days, and his drawdown is 0.82% within the last 7 days, and his ROI volatility within the last 7 days is around 3.78%. Okay, so this is actually another good trader right here cited. And this guy right here called Market Neutral Bot, he has done about 170.55% ROI within the last 7 days, and his drawdown right here is around 16.89% within the last 7 days, and his ROI volatility is actually 17.25% within the last 7 days. Okay, so this is actually not a very good trader right here. But the fact still remains that boosted traders gives you 10% bonus on trades, guys, just like you see right here. Okay, so this is basically all you need to know about the boosted trader. So the next right here is going to be the highest follower profits. Okay, so the highest follower profit traders are traders that have earned the highest profit in USDT for followers, guys. Okay, so these are examples of them right here. This guy called Digital Trading System, as you can see right here, he has about 999 persons following him right now, and he has done about 23.45% ROI within the last 30 days. And as you can see, the ROI within the last 90 days is actually 26.71% with a drawdown of 1.49% within the last 30 days. Okay, so these are other examples of them down below here, guys. All right, so this is basically what the highest follower profit traders actually means. All right, so next right here is the lowest drawdown traders. Okay, so these are traders with over 10% ROI and a max drawdown of less than 20% in the last 30 days. Okay, so this is it, guys. As you can see, this guy over here called Sunshines, he has about 250 persons following him right now, and within the last 30 days he has done over 305.38% ROI, as you can see right here. As you can see, within the last 90 days, he has done 758.35% ROI. And his drawdown within the last 30 days is actually 6.51%. Okay, so these are traders that are actually based on lowest drawdown, guys. All right, so now that we know basically what all these traders right here represent, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I myself filter my trades to actually get the best trader and actually, copy a trade from that trader. Okay, so all you simply do is over here that says all traders, you just simply need to hit on it. Okay, it's going to load up, guys. Here we are. So as you can see right here that says filter, you just simply need to hit on filter right here, guys. Okay, and then I'm going to hit on this place right here that says 30 days. Okay, it's actually advisable to copy trades within 30 days and not 7 days or even 90 days. Okay, if you are going to be copying a trade for 90 days, that actually means that you are a position trader and you know exactly what you are doing. Okay, but if not, I would suggest you stick with 30 days, guys. All right, so the next right here that says master trader rank, as you can see, there are different ranks right here, but guys, I wouldn't want to select any rank. You can just simply leave it blank just like that. And down here that says master trader type, I'm going to hit on it right now, guys. Okay, so as you can see, it is top ROI, all masters traders, just what we talked about a while ago. Okay, so for me, guys, I'm going to be selecting lowest drawdown traders and as well top ROI traders. Okay, and down here that says confirm, I'm going to hit on confirm, guys. All right, so over here that says all country, you don't have to be specific. Okay, you can just simply leave it like that and just hit on confirm, guys. Here we are, guys. So as you can see, this guy right here called Blunt, within the last 30 days, he has done 193.99% and a win rate of over 75.72% within the last 30 days. Okay, so we can decide to copy this guy right now, guys. All right. Okay, but as you can see right here, the amount you can actually use in copying this guy is around 1000 USDT minimum. Okay, and up here says you'll be compensated on losses of up to 100 USDT in copy trading vouchers if your first copy trading order was closed with a loss. Okay, so they're actually going to give you a compensation of 100 USDT on this guy's trade if you actually trade using $1000 right here. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now, guys. Here we are. So I'm going to scroll down to just find someone else. So as you can see, all these guys are full. So let's try this guy right here called iTech Crypto Kamaz. Okay, as you can see, within the last 30 days, he has done about 39.13%. And as well, within the last 30 days, his win rate is actually 80.95%. Okay, so this seems to be another good trader right here. As you can see, about 7 persons are currently following this guy. So I'm going to hit on copy right here, guys. Here we are. So as you can see, guys, the minimum you can actually invest with this guy right here is actually 100 USDT. Okay, and when you invest 100 USDT right here, you're going to be compensated on your losses. As you can see up here, it says you'll be compensated on losses of up to 100 USDT in copy trading vouchers if your first copy trading order was closed with a loss. Okay, so I'm going to be investing $100 right now, so I'm going to type in 100, guys. All right, so let's give this some time to load. All right, so as you can see, it says be compensated up to 100 USDT in copy trading vouchers on your first copy trading order loss. Okay, so let's say I actually lost this $100 right now. I'm going to be compensated with 100 USDT just for, the loss of the 100 USDT right here. All right, so as you can see, it says that this follower has about 212 persons currently following him right now. And as you can see, the AUM right here is actually 278,228.49 USDT. Okay, so AUM right here actually means asset under management. All right, so this is basically the asset that this trader right now is currently managing on his portfolio. Okay, so as you can see right here, that's his profit sharing ratio. It's actually 15%. All right, so what this means is that this trader takes 15% from whatever profit he makes for you, and you take 85%, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you split profit. All right, so as you can see up here that says sync master is now enabled. So this actually means that you won't be able to do any other settings right here apart from the settings that this very trader has set for you already. Okay, but guys, good to know that you actually have the ability to set your trailing stop right here, which is the most important. And as you can see over here, it is recommended. Okay, so guys, the trailing stop actually helps you limit your losses, so you can just simply toggle it on right here. As you can see, I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, all right, so this is it. So as you can see over here, my trailing stop has been set to 20%. So this actually means that my stop loss order will be adjusted to 20% below the highest price reached by the asset after this trade has been entered, guys. Okay, so that is basically what this means. So as you can see down below here, that is copy now. I'm going to be copying this trader right now, guys. I'm going to hit on copy now. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so as you can see, it is successfully followed. So I just successfully followed this trader right now, guys. All right, so that is basically how you can follow traders right here, just by copying their trade and making profit for yourself. Okay, so guys, let's take for instance, you actually want to end this trade and you actually don't want to follow this trader anymore. What you can just simply need to do is hit on this place right here, just hit on this arrow right here. Okay, and then over here that says unfollow, you can just simply unfollow this trader right now. And then you simply tick on this place right here that says exit immediately at the current market price. Okay, and then down here that says confirm, you just simply need to hit on confirm. Okay, so as you can see, I just canceled this trade right now successfully. So that is basically how you can actually unfollow a trader if you feel you don't want to copy a trade anymore, guys. Okay, so that is basically how to do it. All right, so guys, I believe I've shown you exactly all you need to know about copy trading right here on Bybit and how you can actually make the most amount of money for yourself just by copying a trader right here. Okay, so guys, this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. So if you actually found this video helpful, guys, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so you always get notified each time I actually upload wonderful videos like this one you just watched right now, guys. Okay, so thank you all once more for watching this video, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.